Bonjour à tous, bonjour Patrick, bonjour Cathy, bonjour tout le monde et merci de lire avec moi. Je pense que nous sommes encore 43 à lire. 43 to read this Tintin book. I'm very happy. It was little bit less, but maybe that was because of the US elections. We are back with our book of Tintin. I have my coffee. I am already in Brussels. For those who don't know, Brussels, Belgium. Well, what you see behind me, that's what we call the Atomium. It's really a very, very known building in Belgium. Well, let's continue. So Tintin is coming to the house of Mr. Wang. I think so. Let's read. He says, no, it's the servant opening the door. He says, ah, c'est vous, monsieur. Ah, it's you, sir. Entrez vite. Come in quickly. Je viens de recevoir une lettre de mon vénérable maître. And then, well, this construction, je viens de, I come from, that's the way in French you say I've just. So I've just received a letter from my honorable master. Une lettre, a letter. So Tintin then is reading the letter. Let's try to read it, but it's a bit hard. It's not easy to read. So it says, Mon cher Tahen, my dear, I think Tahen, j'ai été enlevé par des brigands. I have been kidnapped by, well, robbers, criminals, qui exigent une rançon de $50,000 pour me rendre la liberté. And they exige means they demand a ransom of $50,000. To rendre means give back my liberty. Yes, really hard to read. Surtout que la police ne les recherche pas. Especially that the police does not search for them, search for them, car s'ils étaient inquiétés, je serais mis à mort. Car, because if they would be inquiétés, worried, so if they had some doubts on the fact that, well, I might go to the police, je serais, I would be put to death. La rançon, so the ransom, devra être déposée avant 15 jours. So will have to be deposited before 15 days. Au vieux temple qui se trouve à 1 heure de marche de Hong Kong something. So where does it have to be put? At the old temple qui se trouve, who is at 1 hour of walking, of marching from, yes, and then the word, the city I cannot read, let's say Hong Kong, sur la rive droite du Yangtze King, ou Kiong, on the, what is it, the right bank, the right side of the river Yangtze, whatever. Sorry, but that's really not easy to read. Okay, and what does Tintin say? Je vais partir à la recherche du professeur. I'm going to search for the professor. Pendant mon absence, voulez-vous conserver ce paquet? So during my absence, do you want to conserve, to keep this package? Surtout, prenez-en grand soin. And so the expression prendre soin means to take care, and then grand soin, especially take very good care of this package. All right. And then Tintin is going, but who's waiting for him? What did you expect? They're taking Tintin, calling the boss. Voilà, chef, nous vous amenons Tintin. Well, that's it, boss. We emmenons, we're bringing you Tintin. Bravo, Richard. Faites-le entrer. Congratulations, Richard. Let him enter. J'aimerais savoir pour quel motif vous m'avez arrêté. I would like to know for which motive, for which reason you have arrested me. Une seconde, mon cher ami, vous allez être satisfait. A second, my dear friend, you are going to be satisfied. Allô, le poste de police japonais? C'est vous, commandant? Ici, Dawson. Hello, is it the Japanese police office? It's you, Commander? Here, Dawson. So he's calling the police. Oui, oui, Tintin. Yes, yes, Tintin. Vous l'avez arrêté? You have arrested him? Toutes mes félicitations. All my congratulations. Oui, yes. C'est cela. That's it. Parfait. Perfect. Dans une demi-heure. In half an hour. Au revoir. See you later. C'est honteux. It's a shame. Je suis ici en territoire international. I am here on international territory. Et vous n'avez pas le droit de me livrer aux autorités japonaises. And you don't have le droit, the right, to deliver me to the Japanese authorities. You see, Tintin's really angry. Pardon, c'est tout différent. Excuse me, it's totally different. Avez-vous des papiers qui vous autorisent à circuler dans la concession? Do you have papers which authorize you to circulate or to be in the concession, so in this area? Non, n'est-ce pas? No, isn't it? J'ai donc le droit de vous en expulser. So I have le droit, the right, to expel you from it. Si par la suite, les Japonais vous arrêtent, je n'y puis rien. So if, par la suite, afterwards, the Japanese arrest you, I cannot do anything. Okay, and then une demi-heure plus tard, half an hour later, you see they're delivering them to the other side, taking Tintin away, and you see Milou, he's crying. Allô, oui, Tintin? Hello, yes, Tintin. Il est pris? He is taken? Son procès commencera demain? His, well, procès means his court case will start tomorrow. Et il durera, and it will take, and durer means take in time, it will take 2 jours, 2 days, bien, good. 2 jours après, 2 days later, Vénérable Tintin est prisonnier des Japonais qui l'ont condamné à mort. Honorable Master, Tintin is a prisoner of the Japanese who have condemned him or sentenced him to death. J'ai vu les affiches en ville. I have seen posters in the city, downtown. You see, here is the poster. Let's go quickly through it because it's quite a lot of words, maybe quite hard. So the War Council, le Conseil de Guerre of the Fifth Army of the occupation, has condemned to to death penalty, peine de mort, a person named Tintin. He was guilty of espionage, trying to murder a Japanese person, violence on a superior officer. He was wearing illegally a uniform, and he was wearing how would you call it? Honors, distinctions of honor. So, and then, pendant les 3 jours qui précéderont l'exécution, le criminel sera chargé de la cangue et promené à travers toute la ville afin de servir d'exemple à la population. Sorry, I'm not really awake yet. So, during the 3 days which will precede the execution, the criminal will be charged with the kang. I think that you called it a kang. So you see, this is, I think you call it in English also the kang. Not sure. If you have a better word, please let me know. But I think it's the same word as in French. So he will be charged of what they call the kang, and walk him through toute la ville, the whole city, that means in order to serve as an example for the population, right? 3 jours ont encore passé. So 3 days have passed, hein, have gone by. He has to walk through the city. Et demain, à l'aube, Tintin aura terminé sa carrière. And tomorrow at dawn, hein, l'aube, c'est dawn. In the morning, Tintin will have finished his career. Car je ne vois vraiment plus comment je pourrais m'en tirer. Because I don't see really, that's vraiment. Ah, ne plus means not anymore. How I could m'en tirer, pull myself out of it. How I could get out of this situation. Croyez-vous qu'il acceptera? Oui. Do you believe that he will accept? Yes. Que veut-on? Que me veut-on encore? Really, not really easy today, sorry. So, what do they want again from me? Bonjour, mon cher ami. Hello, my dear friend. Mitsuhirato. So, he's surprised to see Mitsuhirato. Mon cher, c'est ton ami que je viens vous voir. My dear friend, it's as a friend that I come to see you. Non, non, je ne plaisante pas. No, no, I'm not joking. Plaisanter is joking. Je viens vous offrir la liberté. I come to offer you your liberty. Vraiment? Really? I don't think he believes it. Oui, mais à 2 conditions. Yes, but on 2 conditions. Primo, que vous vous engagez dans le service de contre-espionnage. So first, that you become engaged, that you become part of our services of counter-espionage. So he wants him in the espionage. Secondo, que vous m'indiquiez où se trouve le poison qui m'a été volé. And second, in the second place, that you indicate to me where se trouve, where is the poison that has been stolen from me. C'est tout? That's all? Tintin asks. C'est tout? That's all? Il y a là $10,000. There is $10,000. Si vous acceptez mes propositions, je vous fais évader cette nuit et je vous remets cette somme. So if you accept my suggestions, my propositions, I make you escape, évader, this night, tonight, and I give you this sum. See what happened. You could already guess that. Il a refusé. Did he refuse? Comment le savez-vous? How do you know that? OK. Après cela, évidemment, je n'ai plus à me faire d'illusions sur le sort qui m'attend. After that, of course, I don't have any more to make illusions, to imagine, sur le sort, on the fate that is waiting for me. Yeah, now he's sure to be put to death. He's looking outside, hears the noise. Ah, they're sharpening the knife. Tu comprends? You understand? Il faut que sa tête saute d'un seul coup demain matin. So, il faut que, that we had already very often, means it's necessary that his head, sa tête, saute, jumps off in one blow tomorrow morning. Tintin hears another noise. Click. Ah, a little mouse. Oh, Mitsuhirato is dreaming of Tintin. See him as an angel. Having nightmares, rather, I think. La souris a filé par là. The mouse, ran through there. Peut-être y a-t-il une cave. Maybe a cellar. Si j'essayais de soulever une dalle, if I tried to soulever is to lift up a tile. Rien de neuf? Nothing new? Non, adjudant, tout est calme. No, no, adjudant, maybe sergeant, everything is calm. And then Tintin, he says, rien à faire, nothing to do about it. Je n'ai réussi qu'à me casser les ongles. I have réussi, succeeded only, and the only is ne que, to break my ongle, my nails. And then he's totally surprised. Look at that. The tile goes up. Taisez-vous. Be silent. Et venez vite and come quickly. Attention, il y a une échelle. Watch out, there is a ladder. Et si c'était un piège? And if it was a trap? Bon, je ne risque pas grand-chose. Well, I do not risk anything big. Well, he's going to die anyway, so he doesn't risk anything. He thinks, and that's what I think too, clack, and then the tile closes again. Monsieur Wang. Oh, I'm sorry, the picture is not very clear. So you see, it's Mr. Wang. Ah, comment vous remercier? Oh, how can I thank you? Chut, pas de bruit. Chut, no noise. Ne perdons pas de temps. Let's not lose time. Suivez-moi vite. Follow me quickly. Je vous indique le chemin. I will indicate you the way to go. Vous me suivez toujours? Are you still following me? Je vous suis, Monsieur Wang. I'm following you, Mr. Wang. Et voilà, there you are. Vous êtes ici chez moi. You are here. Chez moi means at my place. Chez vous? At your place? Chez moi? Oui, at my place. Yes. C'est la maison voisine de celle où vous étiez emprisonné. It's the voisine neighboring house of the one where you were imprisoned. Dès que j'ai appris votre condamnation, so as soon as I have learned your condamnation, sorry, your sentence, your condemnation, if you want to, j'ai loué cette maison, I rented this house, et j'ai mis à profit les 3 jours durant lesquels on vous a promené en ville pour creuser ce souterrain. So I profité means I took advantage of the 3 days during which they have walked, promené you in the city to creuser, to dig. A souterrain is an underground, well here, tunnel. À présent, il faut quitter immédiatement la ville. At present, you must quit, you must leave immediately the city, car l'aube est proche. Sorry, because dawn, the morning, is proche, very near. Et l'alarme sera bientôt donnée. And the alarm will very soon be given. Ah, te voilà. Ah, there you are. Tout est prêt? Everything is ready? Oui, yes. You see here, the sun is coming up. 2 people are pushing a cart out of the city. I think you can guess something. Disparu, le prisonnier a disparu. Disappeared, the prisoner has disappeared. Bougre d'imbécile, you imbecile idiot. Quand on a la garde de quelqu'un, on ne le laisse pas filer. When one has the surveillance, the guard of someone, you do not let him flee or escape. Et le commandant? And the commander? Que va-t-il dire le commandant? Hein? So what is going to say the commander? Hein? Tintin s'est évadé. Tintin has escaped. You gang of idiots. Quand on a la garde d'un prisonnier, on le surveille. If you have the surveillance of a prisoner, you do the surveillance. Et que va dire le général? And what is going to say the general? You see, it goes higher up and higher up. They're all afraid of the boss above them. Vous êtes un imbécile, commandant. You are an idiot, commander. Quand on a la garde d'un prisonnier pareil, on prend ses précautions. If one or when one has the surveillance of such a prisoner, such, that's the word pareil. One takes his precautions. Surtout que la chose ne soit pas ébruitée. Especially that the thing and the news is not ébruité, means to become known. The word bruit means noise, that it doesn't become known, it doesn't get any noise. Par le tonnerre du Fusiyama, Tintin s'est évadé. By the thunder of Fusiyama. Well, Tintin has escaped. Faites redoubler la surveillance aux portes. So have the surveillance at the doors, which is the doors of the city, redoubler, doubled. Il ne faut pas qu'il puisse quitter la ville. It should not, il ne faut pas, it should not be that he can quit, quitter, or leave the city et faire rire à nos dépens. And yes, make fun of, faire rire, to make laugh, to make fun of. À nos dépens means, well, make fun of us. Our dispenses, but that's not how you say it in English. C'est mon frère qui me l'a dit. It's my brother who told me. Et il le tenait d'un gardien. And he had it from a guardian. Le petit Tintin s'est échappé de sa prison. So the little Tintin has escaped from his prison. And then we have à leur nez et leur barbe. It really says on their nose and their beard, but really it means under their very noses. And of course, they are all laughing. And then the one who's doing the surveillance at the doors of the city, the gates of the city. Allons bon, well. Ce satané Tintin s'est évadé et on me recommande d'ouvrir l'œil. So that devilish Tintin has évadé, escaped, and they advise me to open an eye, so to keep an eye on the gates to see if he does not escape. Well, I hope we will be at least 43 again. Thank you for reading with me. Well, it's Tuesday. I wish you a happy Tuesday. There's still a few days to go, so I wish you good luck with the rest of the week. See you soon and hope to see you especially next week. Bye-bye.